The cable cast on creates a nice decorative edge to your knitting. It is pretty firm. There's not a lot of stretch to it, but I will show you how to do it. So you can make a slip knot in your knitting. All you need to leave at the end for your tail is just however much you want to weave in later. So it's not like the long tail cast on. And this is similar to the knitted cast on as well. So if you know how to do that, this will be pretty simple for you. Okay, so we've got our slip knot and our needle in our non-dominant hand. That's my left hand. So just like the knitted cast on, we're gonna go in and go around as if to knit, but don't take it off the needle. We're gonna twist it and put that left hand needle underneath and then take this needle out. And that's just your setup stitch. So now we're gonna get into what the cable cast on really is, which is slipping it in between these two stitches underneath here. So it's kind of sandwiched in between this yarn and this needle. And then we make as if to knit again and pull through, and then just like with the knitted cast on, we're going to twist and put it underneath that needle and take this needle out. And again, going in through, wrap it around, and make it nice and loose, because once you put it on that needle, you can just tighten it up. I'm also using this finger to kind of separate these two when I slip it in, otherwise it's easy to just kind of not make it through to the other side. It is a little bit of a slow cast on, and I would like to mention too, if you notice that there are some holes next to this cast on, just knit into the back loop on your first actual knitted row, and that should help tighten those holes up. There you go, look how nice that edge is.